Hey, we are APR Free LLC, and we work with Zoe, and we help all of her clients and anyone she needs with credit repair and personal loans, basically anything having to do with loans. My name is Sam. This is Ben, and that's Michael. Ben actually helps out with primarily loans and mortgages and stuff like that, and he can tell you a little bit about that.
Yeah. So basically, if you have loans and different things at high interest rates, or the minimum payments are super high, what you're going to do is there's all sorts of ways to basically restructure it to get your interest rate way down and also get the minimum payments down. And so what I will do with you is I basically go through all of your finances, your credit report, all sorts of things with you, and basically figure out a plan to get everything down. And then I take you to a bank or several different banks and basically get you the best deal. So that's what I do.
And what I do is I repair people's credit specifically. So what we'll do if someone comes in and they don't have enough credit to apply for loans and restructure, what I'll do is I'll get it and we'll apply certain laws, which is the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And what we'll do is we'll use that to the consumer's advantage to get their credit to a point where we can attain credit for them.
And there you go. We basically just handle the whole thing from credit repair, loans, basically anything someone needs financially, and just help them out.